everyone, and welcome back to Ms. English Podcast, where learning English is easy, enjoyable, and full of real-life inspiration. I'm Chloe.
Hello, Chloe, and hello to all our amazing listeners tuning in from all over the world. It feels so good to be back with you.
It's great to see you, Ethan. How have you been lately?
I'm doing absolutely fantastic. Thank you for asking. I had a peaceful weekend, a little reading, some coffee, and a long walk in the park. How about you?
That sounds lovely. I'm doing great too, and I'm so excited about today's episode.
Oh, yes. I think this one is going to help so many people. It's about a problem that almost every English learner faces at some point.
Exactly. It's a big emotional topic, the one that makes so many learners sigh and say, "Why does this keep happening to me?"
All right, I'm curious now. What's the big mystery?
Today's topic is this: I can understand English, but I can't speak it.
Ah, yes, Chloe, that's the number one frustration I hear from learners everywhere.
Me too! So many people tell us, I can watch movies, I can understand podcasts, but when I try to talk, my brain just freezes.
Yes, the words disappear, and it feels like your voice is trapped behind a locked door.
Exactly. But today, we're going to give everyone listening the keys to unlock that door. Practical and powerful tips to help you start speaking confidently.
That sounds amazing. This is going to be one of our most important episodes yet.
Definitely. But before we start, we have a small friendly favor to ask all our wonderful listeners.
Yes, please. If you enjoy Ms. English Podcast and you're learning with us, take a quick second to give this episode a thumbs up or a like.
It really helps our podcast grow and helps more English learners discover us.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our new lessons and conversations.
Thank you all so much. Your support means the world to us. Okay, Chloe, my voice feels locked. How do I find the key? The first key, Ethan, is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen. But I already understand what I hear. Isn't that enough?
Understanding is a wonderful start, but we need to go beyond it. We must change our listening from passive to active.
Passive to active. What exactly does that mean?
Passive listening is when you're doing something else, maybe cleaning, driving, or scrolling through your phone while English plays in the background. You hear it, but you're not really focused.
Oh, yes, I definitely do that.
Active listening, on the other hand, means you interact with what you hear. You don't just listen, you repeat.
So I hear a sentence and then I say the same sentence out loud.
Exactly. There's a great technique called shadowing.
Shadowing. Like my shadow following me when I walk?
Exactly. You become the speaker's shadow. You listen to a podcast, a short video, or a movie scene and try to repeat what the speaker says at the same time or right after.
Wow, that sounds challenging.
It can be at first. So start small, listen to one sentence, pause, repeat, then do another.
Listen, pause, repeat. I can do that.
Great. And when you feel more confident, you can try speaking with the speaker in real time. Don't worry about being perfect.
I see. So I'm not just hearing English anymore. I'm producing it. I'm training my mouth and ears to work together.
Exactly. You're training the music of the language.
I love that. Active listening, shadowing. Okay, what's the next tip?
The next one is to create your English mode.
My English mode. That sounds like a superhero version of me.
Exactly. It's your special time of day when you only think and speak in English. No translation, no switching languages.
Oh, that's tough. My brain always goes back to my first language.
Of course, but you can train it. The easiest way? Talk to yourself.
Orc to myself. People will think I've gone crazy.
Only if you do it in public. You can do it when you're alone, narrate your actions.
Narrate, like describing what I'm doing.
Yes! For example, I'm making coffee. I need a spoon. Where's the milk? Oh, there it is.
Okay, I'm sitting in the studio. I'm talking to Chloe. I'm very happy.
Perfect. It might feel funny at first, but it's powerful because it forces your brain to find the words on its own.
So it's like a small daily workout for my English brain.
Exactly. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day builds your English reflexes.
That's smart. But what if I don't know some words? Then I just stop.
That brings us to tip number 3. Stop memorizing single words.
Stop learning words? But I need more vocabulary.
Not single words, you should learn chunks.
Chunks? Like chunks of chocolate?
Kind of. Language chunks are groups of words you use together. For example, instead of learning point, learn that's a good point.
Oh, like ready-made building blocks for conversation.
Exactly. Or instead of mean, learn you know what I mean.
These are great. They're like natural tools I can use right away without worrying about grammar.
Yes, chunks make you sound fluent and give your brain time to plan the next sentence.
I love that idea. So, learn chunks, not words. Got it. What's next?
Tip 4. Speak every single day.
Every day. But Chloe, I'm so busy.
Even 5 minutes is enough. 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week.
Like going to the gym, small regular workouts are better than one long session.
Exactly. Speaking is a muscle skill. You must keep it active.
But who do I talk to if I don't live in an English-speaking country?
You talk to your phone.
My phone? It doesn't talk back.
Use the voice recorder app. Ask yourself a question, answer it, and record.
Oh no, I hate hearing my voice.
Everyone does it first. But remember, your accent is part of who you are. It's beautiful.
That's kind. So I just say something like, today I woke up, I went to work, I ate lunch, and then I listened to it.
Exactly. Then notice what sounded good and what you want to improve. You become your own teacher.
That's a great idea. A little scary, but I'll try it.
Wonderful. And here's another fun one, role playing.
Role-playing? Like acting in a movie.
Exactly. Imagine you're at a restaurant, at the airport, or in an interview. Pretend you're both people.
Okay, let's try. Hello, sir, what would you like to order?
I'd like a pizza, please.
And to drink?
Just water. Thank you.
This is fun. And I see how it trains my brain to react.
Yes, it teaches your brain to improvise so you don't freeze in real life.
Speaking of freezing, that's my biggest problem.
And that brings us to the biggest monster in the room, the fear of mistakes.
Ah, yes. That scary monster.
Everyone fears it. But here's the truth, mistakes are your friends.
My friends? I thought mistakes were bad.
No, mistakes mean you're learning. They are proof that you're brave enough to try.
Wow. So a mistake is not failure, it's evidence of courage.
Exactly. You can't learn fluency without making many mistakes first.
I like that. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Yes, if the other person understands you, you've already succeeded.
That's so freeing. I'll try to make peace with my mistakes.
Wonderful. And our final tip, practice responding.
Responding? Like answering quickly?
Yes, listening is great, but real conversation is two-way. You listen and respond. Practice that flow.
How do I do that?
You can talk to an AI chatbot or practice with a friend. The goal is to train your brain to reply fast without translating.
So I train my reaction speed in English. Brilliant.
Exactly. Listening is passive, replying is active. That's how you build fluency.
I see it now. It's all connected. Active listening, English mode, responding. Everything builds one bridge from understanding to speaking.
Beautifully said. The English is already in your head. These tips help you bring it out through your voice.
I love that. Let's do a quick review.
Perfect. Practice shadowing. Listen and repeat. Create your English mode. Think and talk to yourself. Learn chunks, not words. Speak every day, even 5 minutes. Record your voice. Be brave. Role play real situations. Make friends with mistakes. Practice responding. Train your reaction.
That's a perfect plan for unlocking your English voice.
Thank you all so much for listening to Ms. English podcast today.
Remember, understanding is wonderful, but your voice is the bridge to connection.
Speak every day, even imperfectly. That's how fluency begins.
Absolutely. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Podcast. Give this episode a like and share it with a friend who feels stuck.
Yes, and tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first? Shadowing, self-talk, recording, or something else?
We love reading your answers. It's our favorite part of every episode.
Thank you all again for being here.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and never stop speaking.
Bye-bye, everyone!
See you in the next episode.